You know those Peep cookies we all know and love for Easter? Instead of coloring the royal icing, let's color the sugar instead. Since our elite colors are activated powder food coloring, we can put it straight into the granulated sugar, and what you see is what you're gonna get. Today we're working with 1 cup of granulated sugar to 1/8 of a teaspoon of each elite color, starting with Maui Blue. I love this tone for Easter. It is the most beautiful teal blue, and as you mix it inside of the sugar, you'll see the color crystals start to dissolve. It may take you a few minutes to get those powder colors to dissolve, but once they do, you're gonna see the most beautiful tones. For the rest of the colors from the Elite collection, I chose vibrant tones like Cut Kiwi, Diva, Royal Gold, and Mona Lisa. That way, I only need 1/8 of a teaspoon of color per cup of sugar. I'm so excited with how all of the tones turned out together. They are beautiful and perfect for these Easter Peep cookies. Next, you'll see me dipping my uniced cookie into royal icing. And what you want to do here is gently flip it over, shake it around, getting that icing to the edges, and then taking a small scribe and popping all of the bubbles before we pour on our colored sugar. Now here is the pro tip. After much trial and error, I figured out we needed to let the icing dry 2 to 3 minutes before pouring on the colored sugar on top. Because the colors are activated color, if your icing is super wet, those colors will bleed. So you want the icing to dry a little bit before pouring your colored sugar on top. And once you get it just right, you're gonna see how adorable this turns out and how much time you will save by not coloring bags and bags of royal icing. And y'all know me, I'm always looking to make sugar art easier. So I hope this tip helps. I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. And thank you always for being Team Sugar Art.